আর কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে নির্মলা সীতারামন কেন্দ্রীয় অর্থমন্ত্রী তিনি এই আর্থিক প্যাকেজ কোন খাতে কত বরাদ্দ হয়েছে কিভাবে বরাদ্দ করা হচ্ছে তার সবিস্তারে জানাবেন।
शुरू करें मैं। नमस्कार। I welcome Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Minister of State Shri Anurag Thakur ji, Secretaries from the Ministry, friends from the media. After the announcement of fiscal stimulus package of rupees 20 lakh crore by the Honorable Prime Minister yesterday, the Finance Minister is going to share the details of the package under Mission Atmanirbhar Bharat. First, the Honorable FM and MOS will brief, then we will take some questions from you. Over to Finance Minister.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me with my mask or should I remove it? Are you okay? It's better now? Good afternoon. I'm sure all of you will have heard the Honorable Prime Minister speak last night to the nation. He laid out a vision, a comprehensive vision. And that vision was laid out after wide and deep consultation with several sections of our society. And these discussions were held at various levels with various ministries and also gradually taken up to the level of the Prime Minister's office, and the Prime Minister himself has been spending considerable time to make sure that the inputs obtained are given due consideration and they form a part of the package that's being given to the country. Essentially, this is to spur growth and to build a very self-reliant India. And that's where this whole initiative is called as Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. And the word Atmanirbhar India is the one which you will be hearing me say quite often. I know coming from South India, a lot of people wondered what it actually meant. So for their benefit, I'll just say what it means in the four languages, subject of course to perfectionist corrections. Suya Sarbu Bharadam in Tamil, Suya Adharitha in Telugu, Suyam Asarittan in Malayalam, and Swayam Avalambita in Kannada. Subject to correction, it may not be the perfect translation, but something to take it closer to what it means. So Atmanirbhar Bharat is what we are talking about. And you heard the Prime Minister clearly say that this is going to be resting on 5 important pillars. 5 important pillars: the economy, infrastructure, technology-driven systems, demography, and demand. So if these are the 5 pillars on which we are trying to build Atmanirbhar Bharat, the focus obviously will be what can be defined as the factors of production in today's language. Factors of production, all of us know that we've been hearing it: land, labor, capital, and enterprise. Today, we recast it, say it the same way, but then